this whole theory, the basic premise of this whole theory is the India alliance is going to take shape the way you are envisaging it.
Correct.
Do you really believe that an alliance with so many different characters, where at least 10 leaders wanting to be the prime ministerial face, different aspirations, different game plans, different strategies and different interests in their own states, can really come together, stay together for such a long period of time?
Was there a phase in 1977 after the emergency when Mr. Morarji Desai became the Prime Minister? Was there a phase in 1989 when Mr. VP Singh became the Prime Minister? Was there a phase in 2004 when Mr. Manmohan Singh became the Prime Minister? It is not that. The question is that when you get together, you come out with a manifesto, you come out with things where you say that we're not going to.
Can you stay together?
Yes, why not?
Because just 2 hours ago, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary criticized Mamata Banerjee for a Spain trip. Now, if an alliance is taking shape and if your state leaders are criticizing each other, when there certainly is urgency and practicality also, it doesn't look like everybody is talking in one voice.
In Bengal, Congress has its presence, but it's been reduced to about 2.5 to 3% votes. Congress is a national party. An Indian National Congress will have to see that such voices are going to damage the alliance. And so within the state, they'll have to control their leadership. I can understand if you have problems state-wise when you have state elections, I can understand.
This is not some small leader. This is the leader. This is the leader in Lok Sabha.
He's not the leader of the opposition. He is leader of the largest party because you need at least 10% seats to be a leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha or in Rajya Sabha.
Yeah.
So they don't have 10% seats. But on a larger interest, they'll have to look at it. You look at the way the BJP, it's basically the Congress Janata Party. It's a corrupt Janata Party. Very recently, when Ajit Pawar joined in as the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, only 3 days before that, Mr. Narendra Modi in a public meeting had said कि अजीत पवार के विरुद्ध 70,000 करोड़ का घोटाला है सिंचाई विभाग का और हम इसको जल्दी जेल में डालेंगे। 3 दिन के बाद में नमो वॉशिंग पाउडर से बीजेपी के वॉशिंग मशीन से साफ होकर निकल गया। यू हैव अ नारायण राणे देयर, यू हैव अ छगन भुजबल देयर, इन सबों के ऊपर फेमा लगा हुआ है।
So but before you take on the BJP, don't you think there are inherent challenges of this alliance of at least staying together and talking in one voice, which is not happening right now?
Obviously, it will take time. And I think a lot of it has been done in the last 3 meetings that has taken place in Patna, Mumbai and at Bangalore. And I'm sure in the coming days and by the next meeting, by the end of this month or by the end of October, all these things will be sorted out. There are going to be minor hiccups. Let's face it. Don't we have hiccups in the BJP? People in Madhya Pradesh are coming out with posters, keeping themselves hidden, that they don't want certain MLAs to be given a ticket. If they do, they're going to leave the BJP. So internal problems are always there. But when here you're talking, you're not going into somebody's state to hit them. I don't think so there'll be a hitch.